Good afternoon everybody. My name is Anirban Bakshi. My code is 6006007. I've completed my graduation in the year 2011. While completing my graduation in the year 2000, end of 2010, I was searching for a professional course where I want to update my accounts knowledge in a sort of computerized way. Then I have searched through internet. Different courses were there from different institutes such as NIT, Aptech, and so on. But the course which I have seen, I have gone through internet. This was a very brief course, but in a detailed way. I've come to ICA Dalhousie for the further information. I went to counselor room. There I was given detailed, or I was given briefing in detail about the course, about the different parts of the course, the installment facilities, the down payments, faculties, lab, everything. Then I went back home. I spoke with my dad regarding this particular course, and even informed him that I am not a student who can pursue MBA or CACS at one stretch. So I went back home. I took the decision 2 to 3 days. I was very nervous, but thinking that whether I'm doing a correct decision, whether I'm taking a correct decision or not. After that, I've decided no, I need to take admission. Rest, God is with me. Then I came with my dad. I've taken admission over here. Days were moving slowly. My courses were getting over day by day. I was completing my examination through a beautiful pattern, that is MCQ pattern, online as well as offline. It's a very beautiful method of cracking examination in ICA. After that, while I was completing my course, I got an opportunity to work with Wipro. I cleared 7 rounds of interview over there, and I was selected. In this course, in the span of getting selection, ICA has a big involvement. That is, in this particular IA course or CIA plus, whatever it is, every student has to go through a course, that is PDP, Personality Development Program. In this particular course, each and every student are being groomed to fit in the professional environment, irrespective of that is multinational company or an accounts company, or whether it is in a sales profile. But at the end of the day, a particular student is being groomed properly to fit for the professional environment. So this particular thing has helped me too. My communication skills, the way, the body language, everything. I cracked interview. The HR was very pleased. Like my friend told that out of 6 students he was selected. In my particular case, out of 15, 2 people were selected. One from a different institute and me from ICA. I was very proud. I informed ICA Dalhousie that I am been selected in Wipro. Now I am working in Wipro for last 1 month. Near about, I am completing about 1 month. This is a very beautiful short journey which can never be again, it can't be back again in life. It is a beautiful journey that I have gone through. I have shared my emotions, feelings with every faculty members as well as the team members of ICA. Everybody is very helpful. Everybody is like own family. The way mom, dad cares a child. These people over here, the senior faculty, the team members, everybody has helped me. The faculty, the lab, the equipments, the projectors, all are updated with time. The operating systems, the Windows, everything, it's all updated version we are all right now having. And the latest one, the Tally ERP9, ERP9 ACE, as well as different modules, banking, as well as basic. We are being taught in a detailed way. This everything, every small to big, everything has helped us in a very detailed way to fit in a professional environment. Right now I've completed my ICA from Dalhousie itself. Now I'm working with Wipro. Now I'm being a professional in this professional world, and I'm very happy. All credit goes to our ICA Dalhousie head office. Without any circumstances, without any dual aspects, I would like to give credit to ICA, and once again I'm very happy, and I should thank God that I've chosen a right track. I'm in a right path right now moving. This is how my life is. I don't have to look back again in my life. I've just move on with time, and I know I'll be successful one day, upcoming future.